Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you saw in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock a smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure my friend your phone has been locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password. And if my previous video didn't work on your phone, so don't worry at all, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work in your phone. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone should battery charge at least 30%, otherwise whatever data you have in your phone may be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge your smartphone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this unlocking method. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, this method updates every month, okay? This unlocking method updates every month, so if your phone could not unlock with the help of this video, then take help of my upcoming videos or older videos. For this you must subscribe to the channel, and if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This give us encouragement to make the further videos for the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your phone by fully learning the method, mentioning in it and applying it to your locked smartphone. As you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. Now you can see there is a Wi-Fi network is showing in my phone, and if your phone is also showing any telecommunication and Wi-Fi network, so firstly you will have to close all the network like telecommunication network or Wi-Fi network, okay? Now you can see my phone's Wi-Fi network is on. So firstly I will have to off my Wi-Fi network. For this you will have to slide your phone downside like this. Now you can see here there is an option of a flight mode, you can see here, or it's also known as airplane mode. Firstly you will have to activate this airplane mode or flight mode to close all the telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network. So I am going to activate this. Now you can see, my friend, my Wi-Fi network has been switched off. Now my phone is ready to go with the engineer's mode or master unlocking method. But before go to the engineer's mode or master unlocking method, one more thing I will have to do with my phone, okay? So firstly you will have to close all the background running application, and generally it is not possible to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. But there are some secret codes which generated by the service center to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. So you will have to feed this secret code in your dialing pad. So how will you activate your dialing pad in your locked smartphone? So simply you will have to slide your phone upside, and you can see here there is an option of an emergency call option at the bottom of phone, you can see here. So firstly you will have to click on this emergency call option, and when you will click on this emergency call option, you will have to activate your dialing pad like this. Now what secret code I'm going to give you to close the background running application, and today's recent secret code what I'm going to give you, that is star has 888 then star 00 then 555 then has. After feeding this secret code in your dialing pad, you will have to call on this secret code, and when you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply you will have to ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again you will have to do the same process 3 times continuously. After dialing this secret code 3 times, your all the background running application are now closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the engineer's mode or master unlocking mode. For this you will have to clear this call log like this. After clearing this call log, now you will have to feed a USSD code, or it's also known as master unlocking code, okay? So this USSD code is star has 899 then has. Now after feeding this star has 899 has, you can see a new page has been appeared on my phone's display, and this page also known as master unlocking mode or engineer's mode. Now you will get a lots of option. You can see here there are lots of options on this page, but you can see here at the 5th number the option is showing here software version, okay? Now you will have to go with this option software version, and when you will click on this option, you will reach to a new page. You can see here the first option is showing here your phone's model number, so simply ignore this option, first number. The second number you can see here, the second option is showing here Android version 13. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 12 or Android version 11. And if your phone is showing here Android version 12, then you will have to click on this Android version option 12 times. But here my phone is showing here Android version 13. It means I will have to click on this Android version 13 time continuously like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay. Now the first step of unlocking method has been done. After this you will have to go with the back button. And when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page, and you will also get another option above the software version. You can see here the second option is manual test option. You can see here. Now you will have to simply click on this manual test option, and when you will click on this manual test option, you will reach to a new page, that is assembly test project. Okay, now you can see here there are also a 3 type of option on this page. After this, you don't have to go on any option on this page. You will have to simply slide your phone right side like this until you reach to the page of others. Now you can see at the end of the page the other options has been appeared on my phone's display. Now you can also get here you will also get here 5 type of option on this page. Now you can see here the 4th option, that is mainboard version. It may be possible your phone will be showing here database version. Okay, but the both options have the same function but the different name, so don't worry about the name. Now you will have to click on this mainboard version or database version 9 times rapidly like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now the second step of unlocking method has been done. Now you can see here at the second number there is an option of a read write important lock test. Now after this you will have to go with this option, that is read write important lock test. Now you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option, now you will get an ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm this option. You will have to cancel this option at the first time. Again at the second time you will have to do the same. You will have to cancel this option. Again at the third time you will have to do the same. But at the 4th time, when you will click on this read write important lock test option, you will have to okay this option. After giving this OK prompt, it means now all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction modes. Now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. Now what you have to do after this, the very last step what I am going to give you is most important, and if you have skipped any step, it means your phone is not going to unlock. So watch this video properly and follow the every step by the proper method. Okay. Now the very last step what I am going to give you, you will have to simply slide your phone left side and you will have to reach to the page of a device debugging page. Now you can see here device debugging page has been appeared on my phone's display. Now you can see here there are also a lots of option here. But you can see here there is an option of a sensor self-test and calibration option at the 6th number. You can see here. Now you will have to click on this sensor self-test and calibration option, and when you will click on this option, you will get a 3 type of option on your phone's display. It may be possible your phone will be showing here 2 option or 1 option, so don't worry at all. All the options are showing here operation not started. Okay, now you will have to start this operation by clicking on this option. Okay, so you will have to also click on this option until you get a single test pass message like this. I'm going to click on this option like this. Here test has been started, the second option test has been started, and the third option. Now at the first time a single test passed message has been appeared on my phone's display. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my phone. Now I will have to simply go with the home button to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So I am going to go with the home button. Now you can see my friend, my phone has been completely unlocked and there is not any data loss and there is not any application loss in my phone. It means all the application, all the data which were in my phone when my phone was logged as it is as in my phone. It means this tricks really works. And if your phone unlocked with this method, then like the video, and if your phone could not unlock this method, then comment me in our comment box. Our team will quick response on your comments. Thank you so much. See you in the next video with the next tricks.